I officially just became a star seller on Etsy and I don't really know if I should continue or not. As I mentioned in my last episode, I became a star seller for the month of December. I am super grateful and just amazed by how far I have come in this journey that I had just started as an experiment in April. First of all, I never even thought about getting a star seller badge, let alone would I have imagined that I'll be continuing this business until now. It's honestly just crazy just thinking about it.
So sweet.
In today's video, I'm going to share my November results and what my strategy for the store has been and my overall thoughts about this business. So if you're thinking about starting one, I'll be 100% transparent with you. What you see here is what you can expect from what I would say a fairly well-performing new store. Let's dive right in. Let me just say November results have been amazing.
This is awesome! This is awesome!
We have once again broken our records to make the most revenue and sales in a single month. I feel like a broken record because I say this every month. If you've been following along, you would remember that August has been the best month in terms of revenue with a net income of $39.59. However, if we just look at the number of orders, October has been the best month with 44 orders compared to the previous month, as you can see here. Now, what's interesting is that our net income will definitely vary depending on the order size. Even though we've had 44 orders compared to 37 in August, we only made a net profit of $11.20 in October. I still think that seeing this uptrend in revenue and conversion rate is a positive thing even though the revenue is less. Now in November, I generated 12 new listings, putting our total number at 136 listings. So the reason I only made 12 listings instead of much more, which I could have done, is due to a few reasons. I was working on clip art and also revamping my old listings. After making a couple of clip arts, I realized that this was so much work and it took literally 2 to sometimes 5 hours a day just to make one single listing. With my digital pattern listing, I only take maybe 30 minutes to an hour for a new listing. So oftentimes I couldn't even finish making a single listing in a day. I was alternating between creating a clip art and a pattern design, and with the recent update to the Etsy listing photos, I decided that I was going to revamp all my old listings. I have over hundreds of old listings which I need to revamp, so this will take me some time to complete. Going back to the stats, the store got 1,343 visits and 75 orders. Holy crap, we never received over 1,000 visits in a month and our orders are just through the roof at this point. However, we had a conversion rate of 5.6%, which is the same as last month. With all that, we generated $203.51 in revenue, and after Etsy fees, it was $150.59. Lastly, our net income for this month after subtracting all the business expenses came out to $88.87. We were so close to making 3 figures in net income, but hopefully now that I'm a star seller, we can maybe achieve that goal in December. We'll see.
Maybe.
Now, I have a question for you guys. Do you guys find my store stats to be impressive? Because even though achieving a milestone such as becoming a star seller and all that is amazing, I had already put in 8 months of work into this store. I am super grateful that we are at least profitable at this point, but that's been creating a dilemma for me. You see, if we take a closer look at our stats, you can see that our store isn't improving in a linear pattern, but more of a staircase. Because we can see for the first 4 months of the store, we barely had any orders and we were losing money. Then the store got a sudden boost in August and then stagnated. Then we got another boost in the number of visits and orders in November. It's like Etsy has these milestones that we have to hit in order to take it to the next level. I'm sure there are plenty of stores out there with the same amount of listings that I have or even less, and they're probably earning more profit. But I really feel like Etsy is a numbers game. The more listings that you accumulate, the higher chance your store will perform. With that said, because I can produce about 1 listing a day, that is honestly not a lot of listings. Major big stores have over 500 listings and even thousands of listings. Even if I were to put in a year worth of work without skipping a single day, I would only create 365 more listings. And at that pace that we're improving right now, I honestly don't know if the Etsy business is worth it compared to other things that I'm currently doing, such as day trading or YouTube. To be blunt, I still think YouTube or day trading has much higher return potential for the amount of time and effort you put in. So yeah, I just have mixed feelings about this business right now. I need to figure out a way to possibly leverage more people or outsource the work and produce more listings. But because this is a design work, it's really hard to trust people to put the same quality and effort that I'm happy with. And all in all, I'll continue to work on this business since I know some of you guys are enjoying the series and want to see the realistic side of all these AI side hustles that promise easy money. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you want to know exact steps on how I create my listings, then check out this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.